ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன்னைக்கு 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் லெசன் ரிவிஷன். இப்போ இந்த வாரம் உங்களுக்கு எந்த கிளாஸஸோ லெசன் எடுக்க மாட்டோம். 28ஆம் தேதி உங்களுக்கு ஆஃப் இயர்லி எக்ஸாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. அதுக்குரிய லெசன் என்னென்ன லெசன் முடிச்சிருக்கோமோ அதுக்குரிய ரிவிஷன் இந்த வாரம் உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் கொடுக்குறோம். இப்போ சிவிக்ஸ் லெசன் 1 and 2 இன்னைக்கு ரிவிஷன். அதில் சிவிக்ஸ் லெசன் 1 choose the correct answer. Which one of the following does not come under equality? First one, non discrimination on the basis of birth, caste, religion, race, color, gender. Second, which one of the following comes under political equality? Answer second, removal of inequality based on race, color, sex and caste. Third, in India, right to vote is given to all the citizens at the age of dash 18. Inequality created by man on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. is called as man-made inequality. Fifth, in Switzerland, right to vote is given to women in the year 1961. Fifth one பாருங்க. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in the year 1971. முதல்ல 1961 சொன்னோம், அது தவறு. 1971. Fill in the blanks. Civil equality implies equality of all before law. The Indian Constitution deals about the right to equality from Article 14 to 18. Right to contest in the election is a political right. Equality means absence of social privileges. Give short answer. Third one, what is civil equality? Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. There should not be any discrimination of superior or inferior, the rich or the poor, caste or creed. Detailed question. How does the Constitution of India protect the right to equality? Article 14 guarantees to all the people equality before law. Article 15 deals with the prohibition of discrimination. Article 16 provides equality of opportunity in matters relating to employment. Article 17 abolishes the practice of untouchability. Article 18 abolishes the titles conferred to citizen. Civics lesson 2. Choose the correct answer. What is meant by biparty system? Answer D. None of these. Which system of government does India have? Third one, multi-party system. Third, recognition of political party is accorded by first one, the election commission. Fourth, political parties are generally formed on the basis of B, common interest. Single party system is found in D, China. Filling the blanks. Political parties form the backbone of democracy. Every party in our country has to register with election commission. Political parties serve as intermediaries between the citizens and the policy makers. Fourth, a registered but unrecognized political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of cabinet minister. Match the following. Democracy, first one answer, rule of the people. Second, election commission, free and fair election. Third, majority party forms the government. Fourth, opposition party criticize the government policies. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. What are the basic components of a political party? Name the 3 major types of party system. Name the countries which follow biparty system. First question answer, the leader, the active members, the followers. Second question answer, single party system, biparty system, multi-party system. Third question answer, UK and USA. Write any 4 functions of political party. Political parties are essential elements to form the government. They formulate public opinion. They serve as intermediaries between the citizen and the policy makers. When they attain majority, they appoint ministers and run the government. Thank you children. இந்த 2 லெசன் ரிவிஷனும் நீங்கள் சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அடுத்த வாரம் எக்ஸாமுக்கு நீங்கள் இதை பார்த்து தான் நீங்கள் படிக்கணும். தேங்க்யூ.